Well, I am going on a road trip. It's about 3 hours away. We're gonna jump in the F-350. I actually found an attachment that I've been looking for my excavator over there. So we'll go check it out, see if it's worth the money, worth the drive. And if I do get it, it will hopefully expand the capabilities of what I do. Open up some more opportunities to make some money and to use the machine on different types of jobs and different tasks. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's hit the road.